بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Says, how do you keep your deen / sincerity and trust in Allah strong when you are being tested with your health, family, and wealth severely? But see other non-practicing Muslims get everything they want and brag about their happy life, big house, children that behave, etc. In other words, case in life. I will turn the question. Number one, don't be number two. Don't brag about what Allah gave you, because that's what happens. Don't put on Facebook you were invited to this big wedding and you put all your pictures. Or you were on vacation in Hawaii, because there is people who cannot. And it affects the heart. That's what I keep telling you, it affects the heart. That's number one. So the number one is we. Number two, for that person who's affected, my answer, simple. Look at the best creation of Allah. Who? Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. Do you want me to start counting his tests? Where do we start? Where did we start? Was he wealthy? Did he have big homes? Did he have boys? Did he lose children? Did he lose wife? Did he lose daughters? Did his family neglect him? Did people make fun of him? Did people mock him? People bullied him? Was he asked to do so many things that he could not do? Ya ayyuhal muzammil, qum al-layla illa qalila. The one who you are so comfortable and wrapped, get up, stand up in salah. That's to him, not to you and me. Who is more beloved to Allah than him? The fact Allah gives you dunya, gives you life, not life, gives you the beauty of this life, meaning money, children, wealth, is not a sign that you are beloved to Allah. It's actually most of the time on the contrary. It's a test. And this is one of the things that we have to start changing. And I think I gave more than one talk about this. Test in Islam is not only test in Islam is not only unwanted conditions. If I am rich, I'm being tested. And if I am poor, I'm being tested. If I'm healthy, I'm being tested. And if I'm sick, I'm being tested. If I have children, I'm being tested. I have no children, I'm being tested. Why I'm saying this, and I'm so comfortable and I'm so confident? Because Allah said it in the Quran. وَنَبْلُوكُمْ بِالشَّرِّ وَالْخَيْرِ فِتْنَةً وَإِلَيْنَا تُرْجَعُونَ. Allah said this in Surah Al-Anbiya. We will test you with good and with bad. Shar something I don't like. Evil, I don't like it. I don't want it. And khair, everything I want. Fitna, both. You have a good in-laws is a test. And you have a very ungood in-laws is a test. Amazing parents is a test. And parents who you wish they never were your parents is a test. Because every situation requires a response, requires a kind of ibadah, a kind of worship. My worship when I am tested with health is different than my worship when I am sick. It's both tests. If I have health, which we are all tested here, do you think we are doing it right? Versus when I am sick, how is my relationship with Allah? Which one you want then? But don't ask for it. When we are tested, we are closer to Allah. Look at my salah and my dua. And then when Allah gives me what I want. So the fact Allah give these people dunya, it doesn't mean they are better than me or Allah like them more. But if I am feeling this way, what should I do? That's a natural feeling. Part 3 of the poison of the heart. Number 3, don't intermingle with them. Period. Pull yourself away because they are affecting your heart. Pull away. Even if they are your family, minimize the intermingle. If you start feeling this way about the people around you, they have more than I do. Why? And I am a better Muslim than them, then they are not good company for you. Move away. It's not impossible. Sometimes we don't want to do it because I don't want to be alone. What will I do? But this relationship is dangerous because it's affecting the heart. You can see it.